Look at the stupid neighbor. Like a fucking Tesla. She fucking tries to run people over with her damn Tesla. Oh boy. Oh. I could give that to him actually. Oh. Let's go about that.
Sleep Flash. You're with Tom Sullivan. First for breaking news, 24/7 on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
There are some things in life that warrant compromise, but sleep is not one of them. Tom Sullivan for my friends Chip and Jill at European Sleep Design. People come in all shapes and sizes. Some of us need support where others don't. A European Sleep Design mattress is fully customizable, and within minutes, their experts adjust the mattress for your body shape, and boy, let me tell you, it makes all the difference in the world. Another big benefit, their mattresses never contain harmful chemicals, only high-quality materials, including hypoallergenic natural latex, wool, organic cotton. These materials are not only durable, but also provide a comfortable and healthy sleep environment. Mattresses are not one size fits all. Recommended by top orthopedics and physical therapists, I urge you, go see Chip and Jill, just like I did, at European Sleep Design in Folsom. Learn about their unique, affordable approach to sleep. Online at sleepdesign.com.
My brother-in-law died suddenly, and now my sister and her kids have to sell their home. That's why I told my husband we could not put off getting life insurance any longer. An agent offered us a 10-year, $500,000 policy for nearly $50 a month. Then we called SelectQuote. SelectQuote found us identical coverage for only $19 a month, a savings of $369 a year.
Whether you need a $500,000 policy or a $5 million policy, SelectQuote could save you more than 50% on term life insurance. For your free quote, call SelectQuote at 1-800-635-3311. That's 1-800-635-3311. Or go to SelectQuote.com. 1-800-635-3311. That's 1-800-635-3311. SelectQuote. We shop. You save. Full details on example policies at SelectQuote.com/commercials.
Matt Coker here with West Coast Men's Health. In the past 5 years, we've seen thousands of men at our clinic. Most guys tell us the same story, that in their early 50s, it's not that they couldn't function, they just needed help. They started taking Viagra, and it worked great at first. But after a few years, it stopped working. The problem is that their arteries had become more restricted since they started taking it, because Viagra does not unclog arteries. Here at West Coast Men's Health, we use acoustic wave therapy to target the real problem. We break down plaques and clear up the arteries so blood can flow like it did in your 20s. This restores function. And guys, listen to this. You won't have to take a pill anymore. So if this sounds like you, give West Coast Men's Health a call today and see how we can help.
With clinics in Sacramento, San Mateo, Walnut Creek, and Pleasanton, call 916-352-8080. That's 916-352-8080. 916-352-8080. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
Hey, no dealer markup on every new Mega Mazda. Plus, complimentary lifetime warranty with the purchase of any new Mega Mazda. No dealer markup. Great selection. Learn more at megamazda.com.
Remember the Hang In There poster from the 1970s? Well, we all know the image of that kitten would not play well in 2023. Well, Mike Lester of Talent Wealth also knows that hanging in there is not best for your retirement account, especially if you're close to or already retired. You need a written plan based on your goals along with active wealth management of your assets. Unfortunately, not all advisors offer that, or they're not true fiduciaries that focus on what's best for each individual. But Talent Wealth is. Call for a no-charge comprehensive financial plan and compare how your portfolio has been doing to what Talent's actively managed portfolios have done. Plus, the comprehensive financial plan process will also reveal if you've saved enough to retire comfortably. 916-545-6000 or visit guardingyournestegg.com.
Investing in stock market involves the risk of loss. There is no guarantee that all or any capital investment will be repaid.
That's not how you drive, stupid blacks. Can't they learn to drive properly? Blacks. Jeez. Almost fucking hit me just now. Man, they're fucking crazy. I don't understand why they even drive. They can't drive properly. Blacks, I don't understand that. Man, trying to fucking hit me. We'll see where this goes. Fucking afro. Fucking afro. That's what I'm gonna say. Yeah, no fucking. Boy.
borrowers with a credit score of 680 and above, and that's not a great credit score, but that's the cutoff. If you've got a credit score of 680 or above, they're going to penalize you for having a good credit score, especially if you make a large down payment. This is socialism. This is, again, making sure the people that can afford to save their money, pay their bills on time. People who did not do any of that, and so that we can make sure there's equity, and that they will be getting a better rate than the people who save their money. This is anti-American. It just is. Phone number here is 8. Realtors, have you seen this? I was blindsided by it. 855-295-6600.
Today has your chance to win $1,000. Just enter this nationwide keyword on our website. Green. Green. That's green. Enter it now at kfbk.com. Good luck. Your latest news, traffic, and weather.
KSBK, News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM, and everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. Good afternoon, it's 12:30. I'm Dana Hess with your top stories on KSBK News Radio. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt getting a first-hand look at the damage left behind by tornadoes that hit the state last night. In the McLean County town of Cole, Stitt says emergency crews are in place doing their job.
We're mounting resources in, we're doing cleanup.
Ridiculous.
Is strong and forward. Our neighbors right now.
Three people died in the storm. Before visiting Cole, Stitt got a close look up at the damage in Shawnee and Potawatomi County. Stitt says he's signed an emergency declaration for 5 counties. Research group says nearly everyone living in California is experiencing unhealthy levels of air pollution. Recent report by the American Lung Association says many California counties get a failing grade when it comes to ozone and smoke pollution. That becomes a 3-year period from 2019 to 2021. And today, very busy day in San Francisco, and transit officials say they're ready.
We are partnering with Brecken's Park for advisory signs and fire department in San Francisco to assist us with traffic control.
San Francisco Municipal Transportation Agency officials say they're prepared to manage crowds. Golden State Warriors and Sacramento Kings, of course, have playoff game tonight. San Francisco Giants, New York Mets game, and a 420 cannabis celebration all taking place today. Now traffic and weather together. Here's KSBK's Roy LaMella.
More parts of our world, America has seen some slow traffic northbound, past the freeway. Actually, just a little slow. First, just before the East Street on-ramp up towards Exposition Boulevard. In the southbound direction, you'll find a stop and go from Arden Way down towards the river. Also, looks like we got some service traffic going in the eastbound direction of the WX from I-5 16th Street. Who doesn't love to hear good stories? Stories that captivate your heart, stories that make you laugh, or perhaps stories that set the record straight. That's what hosts Patrick and Adriana do at Red Pill America. We tell stories. Join them on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you listen to podcasts. That's Red Pill America. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Roy LaMella, KBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
And finally getting the weather we've been waiting for here in mid-April. Our high today going to be around 72, overnight low dipping down to about 49. Tomorrow's high 82, and right now 66 degrees in Sacramento. Dana Hess, KFBK News Radio. Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news, the second it happens on KFBK News Radio. Sacramento's news, traffic and weather station.
Hey, Pal Walsh here. Let's paddle you. Join me this fall on a sensational journey to one of the world's greatest destinations, Italy. It's called a grand event for good reason. Rome, Tuscany, Florence, Orvieto, Siena, Venice, Milan, and the northern Italian lakes region. 11 days in Italy, the kind of stunning events that my tour company, Conservative Tours, is famous for in Italy. $49.79, and that includes your airfare. We'll go to the Colosseum. We'll go to the Vatican, Trevi Fountain, Piazza Navona. Fully escorted by my friends, the Conservative Tours team in Italy, Lorenzo, Marco, and Giuseppe. Call them toll-free to find out more. 888-733-9494. That's 888-733-9494. Go to conservativetours.com. San Gimignano, bustling Siena. And then it's on to the grand finale of Venice, Milan, and the pristine resort of Sueca. I'll see you in Pennsylvania.
Here, a recent theft of $20 gold Liberty coins from the 1800s has been found.
These gorgeous gold coins are as bright and shiny as the day they were
was struck in the late 1800s, and less than 50 of these gold coins are available. Coin experts are calling this gold find an incredible opportunity. Call 1-800-473-3993, and you are guaranteed a $20 gold Liberty coin minted by the U.S. Mint in the 1800s. So with extremely limited availability, you must call now. These gold Liberty coins from the 1800s are still in uncirculated condition. That is history you can hold in your hand. To learn more, call 1-800-473-3993. Call now, and you will receive a free American Coin Collector's Bonus Package, a $75 value, free with every order. Call 1-800-473-3993 now to secure your $20 gold Liberty coins dated from the 1800s before they sell out. That's 1-800-473-3993.
The Sacramento FGCA Snappy Dash is celebrating 30 years of fun on April 22nd at William Lamb Park.
Come join us for the largest 5K dog walk and pet festival in Northern California.
Stay and play with your family, friends, and pups to stay fun.
Visit sfgca.org/dash to register today.
Stupid blacks. Black people, they need to learn how to fucking drive. Sheesh, I'm so fucking sick of them doing whatever they want. They try to run people over. Shit, they try to crash into people. Like, dumb afros, oh boy. And they say everybody else is racist. They're the ones who are fucking racist towards everybody else, you know. Yeah, they're racist towards everybody else. You know, like, don't be saying, oh yeah, everyone's racist towards blacks. It's you people that's racist towards everybody else. Sheesh. Don't be fucking blaming everybody else for your problems. Fucking bitch. I might actually need that.